Hi everyone, so today I welcome you all to our brand new series in the current affairs line. So finally we have decided to come up with category wise current affairs. Let me give you a brief idea first of all. So actually what happened is we have divided all the important current affairs into total 14 categories. And these are the 14 different categories in which we will cover everything related to current affairs from past 60 days. Now, two type of people can get benefited through this series. First is, many people are there who do not have enough time to read the current affairs on daily basis. So they can follow this series and hence they will cover all the important current affair in just 14 videos. And that's it, okay? And believe or not, 70% questions are directly asked from these categories itself. Obviously some questions are out of it in the papers, but overall it would be a good input-output ratio. Now second category is of those people who read current affairs daily, so it would be a revision module for them. And at the time of the papers, they can directly just surf these videos to collect everything at one place. Okay? Now since we are starting late in the June month, but it's okay, we will still try to cover some of the categories. So today starting from category number 10, that is sports current affairs, and hence today we will be discussing all the events and news from our sports current affairs category from past 60 days. So do not forget to tell me your reviews regarding our initiative, and also you can tell me if you need any improvement in these videos. Now let's start. Question number 1. Pooja Rani Bohra is associated with which sport? So she is Indian woman boxer and she has recently clinched her second continental title at the Asian Boxing Championships, which was being held in Dubai. So she registered this victory against Mavluda Movlonova, who is from Uzbekistan, and they were fighting in a 75 kg category, and Pooja Rani Bohra defeated her with a score of 5-0. So the fact and information I am giving you regarding each question is enough for it, okay? Question number 2. Japanese player Naomi Osaka plays which sports? So obviously she is leading tennis champion and world number 2, and she was in news because few days back she had announced that she would withdraw from the French Open and she would spend some time away from the court. Actually what happened was she had posted that she would boycott the mandatory post-match press conference on the grounds of mental health reasons. Actually she believed that these press conferences was affecting her mental health and that's why she wanted to boycott it. But as a result, the organizers of French Open imposed a penalty on the player, okay? And she has also won the 2021 Australian Open in the women's category. And in the men's single, the winner was Novak Djokovic. Now talking about French Open, Novak Djokovic was again winner in the men's single category, and in the women's category, the winner was Miss Barbora. So this was the Australian Open and this was the French Open. Question number 3. Which Indian footballer has surpassed Lionel Messi in international goals? So here correct answer was Sunil Chhetri. But do remember that this question is not valid now because recently Lionel Messi overtakes Sunil Chhetri yet again, okay? So earlier what happened was the Indian footballer Sunil Chhetri had surpassed Lionel Messi in international goals, taking his total of 74 goals for India. And few days back he has scored both the goals in India's 2-0 win over Bangladesh at Doha. So earlier Lionel Messi had 72 goals, but Chhetri surpassed it in a qualifying match for the 2022 FIFA World Cup and 2023 AFC Asian Cup. But now Lionel Messi has 75 goals. So earlier Sunil Chhetri has surpassed Messi, but now Messi has surpassed Chhetri, okay? And with this, Messi is currently the third highest among active footballers in international goals, preceded by UAE's Ali Mabkhout with total of 76 goals, and Ronaldo with 109 goals. Can you tell me Cristiano Ronaldo plays for which country? Please write your answers in the comment section. Question number 4. Who is the winner of the women's title of French Open Tournament 2021? So already we have discussed about it. Barbora Krejcikova won her Grand Slam single title at the French Open Tournament 2021. So do remember that she became the first Czech woman in 40 years to win the tournament. Talking about some more achievements of Miss Barbora, she won the women's doubles title at 2018 French Open, then 2018 Wimbledon, and obviously 2021 French Open, and the mixed double titles and the mixed doubles title at Australian Open in consecutive 2019, 2020 and 2021. So these are some of the achievements of Miss Barbora. And obviously we have seen that in the French Open, winner from men's category was Novak Djokovic. Question number 5. Who is the first player in the last 52 years to win all 4 Grand Slams twice? So this time, tennis star Novak Djokovic made history with his 19th Grand Slam in the final of French Open Tournament 2021. So in a 5-set thriller, he beated Stefanos Tsitsipas. And also do remember that Novak Djokovic also became the first in 52 years to win all 4 Grand Slams twice. Okay. Can you tell me Rafael Nadal belongs to which country? Please write in the comment section. Question number 6. Which chess player has won the Gelfand Challenge 2021? So Indian ace chess player D. Gukesh won the $15,000 Gelfand Challenge chess title and eventually a wild card for the Elite Meltwaters Champions Chess Tour. He is just 15 years old and he won all the 4 rounds including the key fight against Pragnanandha. And do remember that D. Gukesh is the second youngest person to qualify for the title of Grandmaster in the year 2019. Question number 7. Which Indian wrestler has clinched gold medal in the Poland Open Tournament? So Indian wrestler Vinesh Phogat has clinched the 53 kg gold medal at the Poland Open, which was held in Warsaw. Actually, it is the 3rd title of the season for Vinesh Phogat, who is just 26 years old, as she had previously won gold medals at Matteo Pellicon event that was held in March and Asian Championship, which was held in April. Apart from it, Vinesh Phogat won the final match against Ukraine's Kristina Bereza 8-0. Now can you tell me Sushil Kumar is related to which of the sports? Question number 8. Laurel Hubbard, who is selected as the first transgender athlete to compete at the Olympics, is from which country? So 43-year-old Laurel Hubbard from the country New Zealand has been selected as the first transgender athlete ever to compete at the Tokyo Olympics this time. So she will be the first trans Olympian when she takes part in the super heavyweight women's competition. Actually, the criteria required to fight in the men's category was not fulfilled by Laurel, and hence she has to fight in the women's category of 87 kg. Also, New Zealand was in news because it is set to launch its first ever wooden satellite named as Visa Woodsat. Question number 9. Drag reduction system, that is DRS, is associated with which sport? So it is actually a method in F1 racing in which drivers follow their rivals at a very proximate distance in order to overtake them. So this is called as DRS, okay? And recently, the F1 champion Max Verstappen won the French Grand Prix by overtaking his rival Lewis Hamilton in the penultimate lap using the DRS technique, okay? Question number 10. Which country won the inaugural ICC World Test Championship WTC? So few days back, New Zealand beat India in the inaugural ICC World Test Championship finals to become the first World Test champion. So here correct answer is New Zealand. And do remember that this is the New Zealand's first ICC title in 2 decades. And New Zealand chased down the 139 run target with 8 wickets in hand on the reserve day of the finals. Now one more thing you have to tell me. Among all these 4 countries, you have to tell me who is the leading producer of milk globally. Please write in the comment section. Question number 11. Which football player has become the joint top scoring men's international player of all time? So it is Portugal star football player Cristiano Ronaldo. As recently he had fired 2 goals against France in the Euro 2020 clash, and with this he reached 109 goals in 176 matches for the national team. And he shares the achievement with Iran legend Ali Dei, who scored 109 times in total of 149 matches between 1993 and 2006. Question number 12. Abhishek Verma, who recently won a gold medal for India, is associated with which sports? So this time Abhishek Verma had created history by becoming the first man ever to win 2 World Cup gold medals in individual compound archery. So earlier he won the gold at individual event in Rockla, which was held in 2015, and recently he has again won the gold in the men's individual compound event at the Archery World Cup Stage 3, which was being held in Paris. So these are his 2 gold medals. Question number 13. India's Deepika Kumari is the world's number 1 player in which sports as of June 2021? So Deepika Kumari, who belongs to archery, regained the number 1 position in global rankings for recurve women after she won her hat-trick of gold medals at the World Cup Stage 3 in Paris. So she is 27 years old and she belongs to Ranchi, and earlier she had achieved the top spot for the very first time in the year 2012, and in the ongoing World Cup she claimed gold medals in 3 recurve events. First is women's individual, second is women's team, and the third is mixed team. So she is Indian archer. Question number 14. Rahi Sarnobat, who won gold in a World Cup recently, represents India in which sports? So she clinched the 25-meter pistol gold medal at the Shooting World Cup, which was being held in Osijek, Croatia. And it is India's first gold at the tournament. So she belongs to shooting. And this name is also important because earlier she had also won the Arjuna Award for shooting. So right now the world record has been set by Veronica Major, and she is from Hungary. So this time Rahi Sarnobat was just 1 point short of this world record, okay, at the 2019 World Cup in New Delhi, and this time Rahi Sarnobat's score was just 1 point short of this world record, okay. So she lacks with just 1 point to overtake Veronica Major. Question number 15. India's Manna Patel is associated with which sports? Actually, she has made history on 2nd of July 2021 because now she became the first Indian female swimmer to qualify for the Tokyo 2020 Olympics through the universality quota. Actually, this quota allows 1 male and 1 female competitor from a country to participate in the Olympics, provided no other swimmer from the same gender qualifies for the games or receives a FINA invite based on his or her Olympic selection time, that is D time. So here correct answer is option number D, and she is just 21 years old and she will join Sajan Prakash and Shri Hari Natarajan for this month's Summer Olympics, okay. Now talking about Tokyo Olympics, the flag bearer for opening ceremony would be Mary Kom and Manpreet Singh. Then flag bearer for closing ceremony would be wrestler Bajrang Punia. And the flag bearer for Paralympics would be Mariyappan Thangavelu. So these names are quite important. Question number 16. India's MP Jabir plays which sports? So actually India's athlete MP Jabir qualified for the Tokyo Olympics in the 400 meter hurdles on 1st of July 2021. Because he took just 49.78 seconds to win gold at the recently concluded Interstate Athletics Championships, which was held in Patiala. And Jabir qualified through the world ranking quota, where there are 14 spots available. So your correct answer is option number A, as he is an athlete. Now, Indian contingent theme song for Tokyo Olympics has been sung by Mohit Chauhan, and it is Tu Thaan Le. Question number 17. India's Nihal Sarin is associated with which sports? So he has recently won the Silver Lake Open Chess Tournament in Serbia on 29th of June 2021. So he is a chess player. Then apart from him, second position was occupied by Ronak Sadhwani and the third by Abhimanyu Puranik. So the most interesting fact regarding this tournament is all the top 3 were Indians. Question number 18. Abhimanyu Mishra, who was recently in news, plays which sports? So he plays chess, and why he is in news? Because he is now the youngest grandmaster at the age of just 12 years, 4 months and 25 days. So earlier this record was made by Russian grandmaster Sergei Karjakin in 2002, and he was the youngest grandmaster at the age of 12 years and 7 months. But now Abhimanyu Mishra, who is from USA, has broken this record. Actually, to attain the title of grandmaster, a player has to complete 3 GM norms and an Elo rating of at least 2500. So Mishra has recently won his 3rd GM norm on 30th of June. So right now he is the youngest grandmaster. Question number 19. Who has been named the flag bearer of the Indian contingent in Tokyo Paralympics 2021? So already we have discussed about it. This time Mariyappan Thangavelu is announced as the flag bearer of the Indian contingent in Tokyo Paralympics 2021. So he is India's first Paralympian gold medalist since 2004, and he won the gold medal in 2016 Summer Paralympic Games in high jump. Also, he has been awarded with Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Puraskar for Para Athletics, along with Arjuna Award and Padma Shri. So this opportunity has been given to Mariyappan Thangavelu to be a flag bearer for the Paralympics, so as to pay a tribute to him. Okay. Question number 20. Who won the gold money Asian Rapid Online Chess title 2021? So recently Levon Aronian, who is Armenian American, has won this title, and he has defeated Vladimir Artemev. And in the same event, Magnus Carlsen, who is the current world champion, was on 3rd position. Also, the gold money Asian Rapid is the 7th tournament of the Champions Chess Tour 2021, or you can say Meltwater Champions Tour. Question number 21. Which sports federation has been granted recognition as the National Sports Federation by the Sports Ministry recently? So recently WACO India Kickboxing Federation has been granted recognition as the National Sports Federation by the Sports Ministry recently. And our new sports minister is Anurag Thakur, and he has replaced Kiran Rijiju. Popularly it is known as WACO India, and it was formed in 1993, and the headquarters lies in Faridabad, and it is affiliated to WACO, that is World Association of Kickboxing Organization. Okay. Question number 22. Hu Yifan, who won the 2021 Women's Speed Chess Championship, is from which country? So recently she won the FIDE Chess.com Women's Speed Chess Championship 2021 title. and she won the final game by defeating Indian Grandmaster Harika Dronawali. And she is a Chinese Grandmaster and 4-time Women's World Chess Championship. So do remember that right now she is the youngest female player ever to qualify for the title of Grandmaster and also the youngest ever to win the Women's World Chess Championship. Okay. Question number 23. Which racing driver won the Austrian Grand Prix 2021? So this time winner was Max Verstappen, and he is a Belgian-Dutch racing driver currently competing in Formula 1 under the Dutch flag with Red Bull Racing. So this race was the 9th round of 2021 F1 World Championship, and in it Mercedes Valtteri Bottas was runner-up. And apart from him, Lando Norris was at 3rd position and Lewis Hamilton was at 4th position. Okay. Question number 24. In which Olympics International Olympic Committee made provisions for flag bearers from both genders at the opening ceremony? So the International Olympic Committee for the very first time had made provisions for flag bearers from both the genders at the opening ceremony only last year. So this will be made effect from the Tokyo Olympics 2020. And this time already I have told you that MC Mary Kom, who is Indian boxer, and Manpreet Singh, men's hockey team skipper, will be the flag bearers for India at the opening ceremony of Tokyo Olympics. And for closing ceremony, the flag bearer would be Bajrang Punia. Apart from it, recently it has been decided that 2032 Olympic Games is to be hosted by Brisbane, which is in Australia. Also, Mary Kom has been appointed as new chairperson of AIBA's Championship and Veterans Committee. Question number 25. Indian sportsperson Udyan Mane is associated with which sports? So he is India's leading golfer and recently he has qualified for the Tokyo Olympics. And do remember that he is the second Indian golfer to participate in the Tokyo Olympics after Anirban Lahiri. So this announcement was made by the International Golf Federation and he was placed at rank 60 in the Olympic Golf Rankings list. Question number 26. Which country has won the 2021 Copa America football? So Argentina beat Brazil 1-0 in the Copa America final to secure the team's first title in 28 years. So it was held in the Maracanã Stadium in Rio de Janeiro, and Lionel Messi also won his first major title. So Argentina's captain Lionel Messi finishes as tournament's joint top goal scorer with Peru's Luis Diaz with total of 4 goals. And do remember that Messi was elected joint best player along with Brazil's Neymar. Also in this event, Argentina beat Ecuador in the quarterfinals and had a penalty shootout win over Colombia in the semi-finals. Question number 27. Which country won the 2020 UEFA European Football Championship? So Italy is the champion of this championship and it has defeated England at the Wembley Stadium on penalties to win their second Euro title. So actually England was chasing its first Euro title in history and the team last won a major tournament in 1966 when they won the World Cup. And the captain of Italy was Giorgio Chiellini, while the England team was led by Harry Kane. Question number 28. Novak Djokovic and Ashleigh Barty, who won the Wimbledon title 2021, are from dash and dash countries respectively. So Ashleigh Barty belongs to Australia and she has defeated Karolina Pliskova to win the women's single final of Wimbledon 2021. And also she is the first Australian Wimbledon women's champion in last 41 years. And also Ashray Balti will represent Australia in the Tokyo Olympics. And obviously Novak Djokovic belongs to Serbia. So here correct answer is option number B. So he won the 20th career Grand Slam title, tying Roger Federer's and Rafael Nadal's all-time record. Apart from it, Indian American Samir Banerjee won the boys single finals at Wimbledon 2021. Question number 29. Ace racing driver Lewis Hamilton belongs to which country? So he is from Britain, and British Formula 1 champion Lewis Hamilton has won the British Grand Prix racing for the 8th time, and now he has set a record also in this regard. He is presently racing for Mercedes, and this victory is 99th in the list of wins registered by Hamilton. Apart from him, Valtteri Bottas, who was his teammate, finished third in the event. Lewis Hamilton collided with Max Verstappen in the first lap and received a 10-second penalty, but still he won. Coming to last question, Vishwanathan Anand won against which former world champion in the Sparksin Trophy chess tournament at Dortmund? So in this tournament, two world former champions, Vishwanathan Anand and Vladimir Kramnik, played at the finals, during which Vishwanathan defeated Vladimir to win the trophy. Okay? And do remember that Vishwanathan Anand is an India chess champion who became a grandmaster in 1988, and also he is one of the few in the world to surpass Elo ratings of 2800. So that's it for today. I hope you have liked the session. Don't forget to write your reviews in the comment section as feedback. So stay tuned for more category wise videos, and thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to GK Today. With this, Ninu Satsana signing off.